Toys are learning tools beyond play. Toys build a child's learning capacity in and outside the classroom. Our training seminars at Toys R Lagos will help teachers and schools apply toys as learning tools effectively. Toys are a good way to train children in the knowledge of math because it enhances their skills like counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To children, they may feel they are just playing while making use of toys, but in the real sense, they are nurturing their basic mathematics skills. Examples of literacy toys: puzzle, Scrabble, sentence building dominoes, word search, sight word. Critical thinking. Toys for problem solving provide the perfect opportunity for children to test their logic and develop strong problem solving skills. Financial literacy. Toys are excellent educational toys for kids. They are fun and help them self-discover lessons that will stay with them into adulthood. Importance of financial literacy toys. It helps children start to understand the value of and how to tell the difference between needs and wants.